my friends? This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone data entry work from home job for you. The links, if you're interested in applying, are always in the YouTube description box below. And just a little disclaimer, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, so I absolutely have no additional information outside of what is posted in the job description. Today's job lead is from the company Fullstream. They are hiring a data entry specialist. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only. Now, they have a party planning catering software business, and they are looking for data entry specialists to work part-time assisting in inputting their clients' data into Excel spreadsheets. They are going to provide documents to copy-paste various items, categories, prices, cost descriptions, etc. into the Excel spreadsheet. So, of course, you'll be entering the data into the appropriate fields, databases, records, and files. You'll create and organize spreadsheets. You'll be summarizing and compiling the data for standardized reports. You'll also view and verify confidential and private customer client information, so you do need to make sure that you keep that confidential. You'll verify the data by correctly checking and comparing source documentation. Now, they do not list the hours for this part-time position. It says the hours are based on business needs, but they do not require any kind of college degree. They're just looking for someone who has knowledge in Microsoft Office Suite, particularly Excel spreadsheets, since that's what you're going to be using. Someone who has strong attention to detail so you can check and double check and make sure you get the data correct. Someone who is able to quickly and accurately type so you can enter the data into the spreadsheets in a timely fashion. And someone who has great communication skills. Now, unfortunately, this job did not list pay. You'll have to ask that at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I do always read the comments and keep that in mind when I am out here searching for job leads to share. So if you have anything specific you want me to look for or keep an eye out for, leave that in the comments down below, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.